Cajun shrimp in an egg salad sandwich. Hey, Chef Des coming at you from my kitchen again. Corporate Chef of BC Egg. Yeah, today we're gonna make an incredible egg salad sandwich with Cajun shrimp. This recipe is amazing and I know it's gonna be your new favorite. You will never have a boring egg salad sandwich ever again. The first thing we're gonna start off with are some large prawns. I have a 16-20 size. That means that there's 16 to 20 of them per pound. What I like to do is cut them into pieces though, so we can have that nice Cajun shrimp flavor all the way throughout our egg salad sandwich. So for each one of these size prawns, we're just going to cut it into about 5 or 6 pieces, like that. And we'll just go through and do that for our whole bunch. I have 300 grams of the prawns here. Okay, there's the last one. We're gonna cook those prawns, but before we do, there's a few ingredients I want you to add to these prawns to make them Cajun style. 1/3 of a cup of minced onion. I have some red onion here I wanted to use up, but any onion will do. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then 1 teaspoon of oil, like canola oil or a vegetable oil. And we're just gonna mix all that up. Those ingredients we added to the prawns, other than the onion, is your basic Cajun rub or Cajun spice mix. You could add that to chicken, fish, have blackened chicken, blackened fish, blackened prawns, whatever you want to do. So in a medium-sized pan, medium-high heat, we'll let that pan heat up for a little bit, and we'll add another teaspoon of canola oil. Then we're going to add our Cajun prawn mixture to that pan. You're going to want to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. We want to cook the prawns all the way through. The great thing about that is when you're working with raw prawns, once they're cooked, they turn to a pinky orange color. Right now, they're gray. So it's a very good visual to look for. The smells amazing. As soon as the heat hits those spices, it's incredible aroma that you have in your kitchen. You can start to see already that they're changing color. They're going from this gray color to more of an opaque. And you're just going to cook them until they're all orange or pink and opaque. All right, that looks good right there. We'll turn off the heat. Then I want you to get a shallow pan like this. We want to cool this very quickly in the refrigerator. So you don't want to have a bowl and have these all bunched together. We need them spread out so they cool very quickly. I'll make sure to get all these onion bits on there. And then we're just going to spread them out in a nice even layer. Then I'm just going to pop that in the fridge. All right, while those prawns are chilling, let's make up our egg salad mixture. So we're going to start off with 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of small diced celery, 1/4 cup of small diced red bell pepper. Now I could have put the celery and the bell pepper in with the shrimp mixture in the pan to have it cooked, but I really wanted that nice raw crunch to our egg salad sandwiches, so I left those 2 ingredients raw. A couple tablespoons of chopped chives. So now we have that nice cooked onion flavor with the prawns and a little bit of raw onion flavor with the chives in the egg salad. Here's one of my secret ingredients, and I learned this down south, a couple tablespoons of sweet green relish. Another good secret ingredient is drain off some of the pickle juice you have in your pickle jar, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pickle juice. I like mine a little bit more tart, so I'm adding a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. And down south, they like to use Tabasco. I like to use that as well. So 3 to 4 dashes of Tabasco. Do as much as you like. And then we're going to bring that all together. Look at all those amazing colors that we have in there. It looks incredible. Then, of course, you have to have hard-boiled eggs. I actually like to steam my eggs instead of hard-boiling. Same doneness as a hard-boiled egg, but I find that the texture is a lot better and they peel a lot nicer. Make sure you're checking out bcegg.com and click on the Eggs 101 link and you will find all the videos there, hard boiling, peeling, steaming, whatever you like. These have been actually steamed and peeled already, so we're already done. But always remember, every single large BC egg has 14 key nutrients, all 9 essential amino acids, over 6 grams of the highest quality protein you can get. And one large egg, it's only 80 calories. So we have 6 eggs total that we've cooked, and we're just gonna chop them up a bit. You can chop them as fine or as chunky as you like. I always start just by cutting them in half. Look at how beautifully cooked these are. And the texture, like I say, from steaming is just incredible. And then I just take my knife, and just rough chop them. I don't like to go too fine, but you can do whatever you like. I like it big and chunky. That looks about good. So to that mixture, we're gonna add the eggs now. But don't mix them up just yet. We want to add our prawn mixture and then mix it so the eggs don't get too broken up from mixing too many times. Even cold from the fridge, it smells so good. We're going to add that prawn mixture now, and that's going to introduce a whole bunch of incredible flavors. You can season to taste with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're going to stir that all together. Wow, look at how nice and chunky that is. Get right down to the bottom. Make sure you're getting all those ingredients you put in there so it's completely distributed. Okay, let's build one of these now. I really love having a brioche bun when I'm having an egg salad sandwich. So that's what I went with today. Start with the bottom bun, obviously, and just pile some of this on top. I like to do this over the bowl so that if I drop any as I'm filling that bottom bun, it's going to drop back into the bowl. And don't be shy with the filling. There's lots to go around. This will make enough for at least 4 large sandwiches. And then the top bun, and just press it gently. Wow, look at that. That's what I call an egg salad sandwich. Make sure you're checking out the website at bcegg.com for this recipe and a whole bunch of others, along with egg tips and egg tricks. And this is Chef Des signing out. Where are you getting your protein from?